Nelson Cruzada Babagay Jr., together with the Provincial Director of Camarines Norte Police Provincial Office, Police Colonel Lito L. Antaya. Magandang umaga po. In 3, 2, and 1, the ribbon represents the official opening of the newly constructed PNP building that will serve as a place of discipline, service, protection, and commitment.
Inaugurated during the incumbency of Prevention Division
Hanggang kayo sa alimang bayan, halin ninyo ang umatihan sa inyo.
Smile sa rin to. Kasama ka sa vlog ko.
Nakasala sa amin at wala mo kami pahintulot sa tukso at
the Regional Director of Napolcom, represented
Joseph Phillips, represented by
Last board member, Province of Camarines Norte.
Take all kung sino pong magsa-champion, yung siya po ang tatanggap.
Para pang ano sir?
Lieutenant Christine Vanessa Felipe to receive the certificate.
Set the target. Arrest suspect or neutralize any threats and secure the area. As the authority, I'm in control. The green light is on. The green light is on. On my command. Fight!